was just a little guy. Buddy.
And now I'm stuck under the trailer because I am not about to try to go inside. Alright, so today is the start of a new adventure. Unfortunately, this one does not include Jason, so this will be the adventures of Kay and Mom and Dad. Jason had to work, so he doesn't get to come on this trip, unfortunately. I am at my parents' house. We are gonna hop in their motorhome here, and we're gonna hit the road from Oregon to Montana. So come along and see what kind of trouble we can get in. So it has come to that point in our trip where it's my turn to try to drive the motorhome. Let's go!
And there she goes. Pulling out onto the freeway for the next 30 miles. Look at her go.
Our first night is in Kennewick at Columbia Sun RV Park. Looks like a pretty nice place. Got a nice office here to check in.
Yeah, they got a little sag in the middle.
Yeah, but if you
Have to see.
We're pool bound. Do we look like we're heading to Montana? The pool has 3 feet, 4 feet, and 5 feet depth marks. Nice area out here. This is where you sleep when you're an extra passenger in the motorhome. But then you have to try to get out. I don't want to put too much weight on that. Go quick! Oh, geez, that's a big step.
Oh, wow.
Okay, I did it.
And there's our driver.
Hi. Yeah.
Look who that is! Hi!
This is Chip. Here's Chip. Hi, bye-bye. This is Chip. You say hi. Say hi on the camera.
So much is insane.
Hi, Chip.
It was just a little guy.
Hi, buddy.
Oh, you got, oh, I know, no bite. So, we're all gonna have a shot of grappa. Yeah!
Yay.
No.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thanks, Italy. Oh my gosh.
What is that? Ew. I'm trying to figure out what it is.
I don't know, but you can have mine.
It tastes a little bit like cardboard.
Oh God, what is that leftover taste?
Oh.
That is grappa! Alright, here's what you do for fun in Montana. How do I do this?
Get on. Hang on.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Oh, do you hear it crunching?
Oh, that's not good. No, we're gonna fall. Harry, it's crunchy.
Okay, go down.
Yeah, go down.
It's just the cable.
Yeah, that was kind of stuffy.
Okay, so when the excavator starts geeking and dorking and jerking real hard and you're bouncing out, just let go of everything
Okay.
and let it settle down, okay?
Okay.
And then go back to what you're doing.
So we're gonna pick up these different pieces of wood and attempt to put them in the bucket. All right. And then attempt to pick up the box
Okay.
without squishing it.
Then you push that down. Now you're live, okay? Here's your throttle.
Oh, missed.
Okay, next. Hi, Kimmy.
Hi. Oh, hey, chipsters.
Oh my god! Oh, look at that.
Good thing you have self-feeling. All right, girls. Where are we going? What are we doing?
Going to the water.
What water?
Sophie? Yeah, possibly Sophie Lake.
Wait,
Or we'll go to
do you put
Swisher.
it in?
Mine kicks. I know. I hate this. I always make Jason do it. Stupid thing. Okay, stand up. You guys stand up on it.
Okay.
No wobbling.
Bam.
Carrie.
Oh, like a professional, huh? Oh, yeah.
There you go. There you go. She is a pro. Me and Jordan are gonna go out on the paddleboard now.
Hi! I don't know if you can see us. So pretty. Say hi. Hi.
Hey.
We're vlogging today. So, we're gonna go get Nana and we're gonna hope she doesn't fall. But she's a pro. She's doing good. Don't fall.
Okay.
It's because I'm a good vlogger. I'm better than Uncle Jason. So, that's the only reason why his channel has views is because I come on and I go and vlog. So, you're welcome, Uncle Jason.
Oh, hi.
And
This is really fun. I'm the only one who fell in the water.
Dad did.
Oh, Dad did?
Yeah.
Dad did.
All right. And that ends our day at Sophie Lake. Got a motorhome backed right up to the lake. Can't get any more perfect than that. Okay, there you go. Keep bending. Keep bending.
Back up a little.
There you go.
Perfect.
Now, go.
Perfect. Good job. Yay. Way to go, Jordan.
Yeah, we thought you were brave.
Do it. Whoa!
Okay, ready?
That actually looks pretty cool. Today, we are headed, all in the motorhome, to go to Whitefish.
Chip's ready.
Shoes are
Chip,
important.
can you say hi to Aunt Kimmy?
We're going to go check out the lake.
And go check out the lake? Sweet.
This is Lake Koocanusa,
Koocanusa.
and that's Canada.
That's Canada over there.
This is
Canada's
That's our marina and restaurant.
way up there.
You know
Like, yeah, I don't know about that.
We're big dog people over here.
Each family has 2 dogs.
Oh, really? Oh, good boy. Good boy. Yeah, this is Central Avenue. So I think this is the main shopping.
Do you have like plenty of room?
Yeah.
Scared of the music.
On a dark desert highway, Cool Whip in my hair.
I love it. Oh, cool whip.
Cool Whip.
That's
Cool
what you
Whip.
need right there, honey.
One for the plate, one for Carl.
It's too bad.
One for the plate, one for Carl.
How can I tell if it's your body or your layout?
Fine, thanks. Okay, I could go with a little more than just that.
I could go with a little more than that.
Carly wanted it all for herself. Watch above. Oh, you should see this.
You should see the dark.
We're getting quite the show out here.
What do you see?
The lightning. It.
Lightning?
Listen.
Listen.
Oh, wow. Oh.
And now I'm stuck under the trailer because I'm not about to try to go inside. I'm underneath the front of the fifth wheel. Right, so I figured I might as well show you my accommodations for the week here in Montana. This is my sister's Forest River Sabre. It's a 3.7 FLL model. It's a fifth wheel. It's about 43 feet long, and this thing is a beast. It is the Taj Mahal of travel trailers. Fifth wheels, not a travel trailer. I keep getting corrected. Go down the steps to the kitchen, the dining room that's in the slide, which is where I am working this week. Here's a huge fridge, double door fridge, freezer. Here's their bedroom. So here's the master bedroom. This was one of my niece's rooms. That was her bedroom. Quite the space for a single person like me for the week. Can't complain by any means, especially when you look out and there's your view for the day. Nice and quiet here. We're getting ready to go golfing. What do you think about that, Mom?
Pretty cool. I'm putting on my golfing hat and here I
Nice.
go.
Oh my god, you guys, this is gonna be so epic.
I'm watching.
Right here.
Oh, right through the tree. Get through it. Oh, look at Dad!
Oh, that was
Woohoo! Nice job!
No, everyone.
No.
Oh my gosh, you hit it awesome! Not much video on golf because we got eaten by mosquitoes.
Oh,
Like, I've never seen mosquitoes.
never.
Bless you, Dad.
Never.
And pollen.
So, we called it early. 3 holes is all we finished.
Hey, Chip, you come see me? Did you come see me on our last day, huh? Did you come see me right before we leave? Is that my good boy? Huh? Is that my chippy boy? Who's your good boy? Huh? Who's your good boy? Go ahead. Almost there. It's a good boy.
Aw, look, the girls actually got up to say goodbye to us. Aw, poor thing had to get up before 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Aw, poor kids. Rough life.
Okay.
No, don't knock it over. Hey, stinky dog.
He put it up right.
Come on.
Cheese. Cheese.
Funny one. Do it for That is Lake Koocanusa. Alright, so we stopped at Kootenai Falls. Their main parking lot is quite small and doesn't hold big rigs. So they recently, as you can tell, put in this parking area here, and there's large spots, several of them, all along the outer edge. As you can see, So this is where you want to come. It is east of the main parking lot, and there are no signs off the highway. So you just kind of have to watch. It's just a couple hundred yards up on the left-hand side, same side as the falls.
Would you look at that? Would you look at that?
Just look at it. Ooh, it's a little wobbly. Wow. We made it. We made it back. Now we need an air conditioner because it's hot. And that was a very long walk. Beautiful falls. Awesome suspension bridge. But it's quite the hike coming back up. All right, so that officially concludes our Montana trip. We are back in Oregon. We a little over 1,000 miles, a little bit of dirt, a little dent in the front end. Hit an animal somewhere in Montana on the way home. Don't know what it was. Just a little dent in a couple dents in the bumper and a little bit of fur on the license plate. No idea. Came out of the brush, so jumped in front of us and immediately took off. Never saw it. So, but anyway, quite a fun trip. Did lots of stuff, but that is a long, long way to go. So, Carrie, love you. Had a blast, but I don't know that we'll be hopping in the motorhome and coming and seeing you next month. Anyway, see you later. That'll be fun. One last time, Chip, go right in front of it.